be a voice actor? Duet this video to find out. 4 scripts, 50 seconds. This is the Narration Voiceover Challenge. Starting now.
Sarah knew Jack was the one from the moment they met, and they spent the next 5 years exploring together. But now, Sarah is ready to trade in the frequent flyer miles for a permanent home in Kansas. Armed with a search warrant, police collected samples of Jason Massey's hair and impounded his Subaru Outback. A piece of carpet was removed for scientific analysis. Using this opportunity, offshore wind farms will integrate new high-voltage technology to maximize interoperability of industrial equipment and transmit even more energy via superconducting cables. Each star we see twinkling in the night sky is a luminous sphere of superheated gas, much larger than any planet, and each has a story to tell.
Could you be a voice actor? Duet this video to find out. 4 scripts, 50 seconds. This is the Commercial Voiceover Challenge. Starting now.
Greatness! It's not some rare DNA strand. We're all capable of it. All of us. Nike, be great. Do not use Cumexa if you have certain medical conditions. Cumexa may cause new or worsening urinary retention, problems with controlling your body temperature and blurred vision. Call your doctor to find out if Cumexa is right for you. For all the moments, for love, forever. Find the perfect piece for whoever you've fallen for, only at K. Right now, join Planet Fitness for just $1 down. $10 a month, no commitment, so you don't have to try and squeeze the gym into your apartment. Planet Fitness, live the gym to up.
Kung mahusay ang pagkalap at pagsisinop ng ebidensya, lumalaki ang tsansang malutas ang anumang krimeng sinisiyasat. Kaya nga sa bawat kasong matututukan ng aming kamera, dadalhin kayo ng ABS-CBN SOCO sa mismong sentro ng investigasyon. Bawat hakbang ng mga crime scene investigators ay aming sasabayan hanggang sa pagpupursigi sa paghahanap ng katotohanan. Gamit ang siyensya, lohika at pagkamaparaan ay humantong sa pagkalutas ng kasong aming tinututukan. Humanda na sa misteryo at drama ng totohanang pagsisiyasat na ihahatid sa inyong ABS-CBN Scene of the Crime Operatives.
Can you pass the prompter test? I'm gonna... you guys know what to do. 3, 2, 1.
The Santa Barbara County Public Health Department is opening more COVID-19 vaccine appointments tomorrow. The county is expecting 3,800 doses of the Johnson & Johnson vaccine this week. Emergency services, agriculture, and food service workers are eligible to get the vaccine. Community members can book an appointment starting at 9 a.m. tomorrow on the Health Department's website.